Good morning students. Coming back to exercise 6.5, 13th problem. D and E are points on the sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC right angled at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. He has given a triangle ABC where angle C is 90 degree and AB is the hypotenuse, where D and E are the points of the sides AC and BC. Since we need AE squared and BD square in the proof of the proving problem, so we are joining AE and BD. Now coming to the problem. In our proving part, I am going to take AE square, BD square, AB square and DE square. I am going to take the triangle which is involving all these sides, and I am going to prove addition of these two side square will be equivalent to AB square plus DE square. So first let us consider my right hand side where AB is involved in the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, where AB is the hypotenuse, so I want to find AB squared by Pythagoras theorem, which will be equivalent to BC square plus CE square, and as well as I want DE square, so I am going to take triangle DEC. DE is the hypotenuse, so DE square is equal to EC square plus DC square. So I am going to apply this in our solution. So in triangle ABC, AB squared is equal to BC squared plus CA squared, calling this as equation 1. And in triangle DCE, DE square is equal to EC square plus DC square, calling this as equation 2. Now I am going to take the left hand side AE squared and BD squared. So where AE is involved in the triangle AEC and BD is involved in the triangle BDC. So we are going to take the triangle AEC and BDC. So in AEC, AE is the hypotenuse, and in BDC, BD is the hypotenuse. So for both these triangles, I am going to use the Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, left hand side AE squared in triangle ACE, hypotenuse AE squared is equal to AC square plus CE squared, calling this as equation 3. And BD square in triangle BCD, BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square, calling this as equation 4. So I am going to add equation 3 and equation 4. So adding equation 3 and 4, I get AE squared plus BD squared is equal to AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. So I am going to join AC squared with the BC squared and CE squared with CD squared. So I am writing separately here AC squared plus CB squared in a bracket plus CE squared plus BC squared in a bracket, where AC squared plus BC squared I got through equation which will be equivalent to AB squared. So I am going to substitute AB square in place of AC squared plus CB squared, substituting AB squared, and CE squared plus DC squared by equation 2 I got, which will be equivalent to DE square. So I got AB squared plus DE squared is equivalent to AE squared plus BD squared. So which is the required proof what we need. 14th problem. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB is equal to 3 times of CD. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. He has given the figure triangle ABC where AD is a perpendicular drawn from the vertex A touches the base BC at D. So where ADB is 90 degree, similarly ADC is 90 degree since AD is a perpendicular. In the problem, we need to prove that 2AB squared is equal to 2AC squared plus BC squared. So I am going to take the side AB and AC. I am going to take the triangle which is involving the side AB and AC. Now I am taking triangle ADB. So where AB is the hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem, I am going to write AB squared is equal to AD squared plus DB squared. Similarly in triangle ADC which involves AC. So the AC is the hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras theorem, I am going to write AC squared is equal to AD squared plus CD squared. To the solution, I am taking the right triangles ADB and ADC as we said. So hypotenuse AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, and in triangle ADC hypotenuse AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square, so using Pythagoras theorem. Now I am going to subtract AB squared minus AC squared. On my left hand side I get AB squared minus AC squared is equal to, now subtracting on my left hand side, AD square gets cancelled, so I will get BD square minus DC square. Where in the problem it is given BD is equal to 3 times of CD. Now I am going to take a BC where BC can be written as DB plus CD. So I will show this in the figure. BC is equal to BD plus CD. So I have written BD plus CD, but in the problem BD is given as 3 times of CD. Substituting here, I will get 3 CD plus CD which is equal to 4 CD. So BC is equal to 4 times of CD. So CD is equal to, bring that 4 to the left hand side, I will get 1 by 4 of BC. So I am going to substitute this CD value in the coming problem. So substituting value of BD as 3 CD. So squaring, I will get 9 CD square minus of CD square. So 9 minus 1, I will get 8 CD squared. Where CD squared we have derived as BC by 2. So BC by 4. Where CD squared I have derived as BC by 4. Substituting here. So 8 into BC by 4 the whole square. So which is equal to 8 into BC square by 16. So 8 will go 16 2 times. So I got BC squared by 2. So bringing this 2 to the other side, I will get 2 into AB square minus AC square is equal to BC square. So multiplying 2 inside the bracket, I will get 2AB squared minus 2AC squared is equal to BC squared. Taking this minus 2AC squared to the other side, I will get 2AB squared is equal to 2AC square plus BC squared, hence proved. 15th problem. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 times of BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Coming to the proof, ABC is an equilateral triangle. So the sides of the equilateral triangle we are taking as X. Also we know that it's given in the problem BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC, where BC is the side of the equilateral triangle. We are taking it as X. So we are writing BD is equal to X by 3. So now we are going to draw an altitude AE from the vertex A to the base BC in an equilateral triangle ABC. The proving part involves AD square. I am going to take the triangle AD which is involved in the right triangle ADE. So ADE right triangle, I can use Pythagoras theorem to find AD square. ADE, where AD is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the other two side square. So now to find the value of AE, where AE is the altitude of the triangle ABC. So I am going to find out this altitude AE by the triangle, right angle triangle, using the right angle triangle AEB. Where in right angle triangle ABE, where AB is the hypotenuse square and the other two side squares will be AE and BE. So I want to find the side AE squared, which can be obtained by subtracting BE squared from the hypotenuse. So which is equal to AB square minus BE square. So where AB is the side of the equilateral triangle. So we have taken it as a X. I am writing it as X square minus of BE will be E touches the E is the midpoint of BC. I will show in the figure where E is the midpoint of BC, where BE is equal to X by 2. Now substituting BE value as X by 2 the whole square here, I will get X square expanding minus X squared by 4. Simplifying, taking LCM, I will get 4X squared minus X squared by 4, which is equal to 3X squared by 4. So thus I got AE square is equal to 3X squared by 4. AE is equal to square root of 3X by 2. I am going to substitute the value of AE in my equation. AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Also, we know that DE is equal to BE minus BD as we done previously. I got X by 2 minus X by 3, which is equal to X by 6. So I am going to substitute AE and DE in this equation. So where I got AE as root 3 by 2x. So if I square, root 3 square becomes 3, x square, 2 square becomes 4, plus DE I got x by 6. So DE square will be x squared by 36. So simplifying, I will get 27x squared plus x squared by 36. So I will get 28x squared by 36. So cancelling, I will get 7x squared by 9, which is equal to AD square. Bringing this 9 to the other side, I will get 9 AD square is equal to 7. So I am taking x square, where x is the side of the equilateral triangle. I am taking it as AB. So I will get 9 AD squared is equal to 7 AB squared. Hence proved. 16th problem. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equivalent to 4 times the square of one of its altitudes. Draw a equal triangle ABC and an altitude AD. I'm taking the triangle ADB, which involves the altitude as well as the side. So we are considering the triangle ADB, where the altitude of an equal triangle touches the base at its midpoint. So we have BD is equal to A and CD is equal to A, and also this is an altitude, so it subtends an angle 90 degree. ADB is 90 degree. So I am going to consider the triangle, right angle triangle ADB now, where AB is the hypotenuse. So we are considering right angle triangle ABD, where AB is the hypotenuse. So we get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. So as we said that BD will be half of my BC, since D is the midpoint. So I have BD is equal to A. Now I am going to substitute the BD value as A, and AB is the side of the equal triangle, so which is equal to 2A. So I am going to substitute the value of AB square as 2a square which is equal to AD square plus BD as A. So BD square is A square. So expanding here, I will get 4A square which is equal to AD square plus A square. Bringing this A square here, I will be getting 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square. So which is equal to 3A square. So I got AD square is equal to 3A square. So in place of A square, I am going to write my A as AB by 2, where AB is the side of the equal triangle 2A. So 2A by 2, 2 gets cancelled, I will be getting A. So in place of A, I am writing it as AB by 2. So I got 3, A value as AB by 2 whole square. So I am writing whole square here. So since I want to connect my altitude and the side of the equal triangle, I am writing A as AB by 2. So I am expanding here. I will get AD square is equal to 3 AB square by 4. Bringing this 4 here, I will be getting 4 AD square is equal to 3 AB square. Thus I proved that 3 times of the square of one side of an equilateral triangle, which will be equivalent to 4 times of its altitude, the square of its altitudes.